Let's go. It would have been quicker if we would have died the first time I hit with a energy sword.
607. 607.
What about 670?
What about 676? 176. I'm gonna go get a drink. You know what? Fuck it. I do want to stay up longer. So
Yeah. Guys, we're gonna
yeah,
finish.
technically, the first energy drink I had today has completely exited my system. So I'm good to drink another one, and my liver totally will be fine. He understands.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, we're actually gonna finish every Halo game tonight.
Yeah, sure, bro.
Coming into view now.
Cortana, what exactly am I?
If you were speedrunning, you could, I think, fairly confident you could beat every Halo game in a night, or like in 24 hours. Honestly, the longest games would be the Halo Wars games, because you have to sit there and wait to generate resources and make troops.
That's fair. What's the speedrun time for Halo 2? Someone beat the game in an hour and 20 minutes and 25 seconds.
Where's our target?
The enemy ship is stopped above the ring, man.
That's on Legendary, sorry. The record for Easy is an hour and 9 minutes.
Well, the difficulty doesn't really change a whole lot of things.
I mean, I would say ooh, I got a rocket launcher, I forgot. It changes the fact that you can, like, run through the entire thing, at least just willy-nilly. Also, damn, I really like that cutscene.
I don't know why they keep skipping.
I honestly thought one of us was pressing it by accident.
Maybe.
Who's shooting at me? Oh. I'm dead. Oh, I had
Maybe
to...
the 50 fucking grunts right next to you?
Give me your weapon, ODST. There we go. Now I got a battle rifle. What?
I know you're there. You know you're there. Give up.
Murked. Throwing a grenade in there, so watch out.
Ah, I did get up here. Oh, shit.
What, did you find an energy sword or something?
No, I was trying to get up to that turret.
I think it's the mission on Newman Bossa with the Scarab and this mission have different intro cutscenes depending on what difficulty you're on. This is one of my...
Ah, so close.
Aesthetically speaking, this is one of my favorite missions. I think it looks beautiful. I'm frozen.
Holy fuck. I switched to the new gen graphics. And I don't know, maybe it was trying to load the whole fucking map.
I really enjoy the new gen. It looks really good.
Easier said than done. Inbound
Yeah.
Chief.
So imagine that, but for Halo 3.
I'm saying.
But no, let's remake CE again.
Well, I heard rumors that if CE remake goes really good, they're gonna remake 2 and 3. Ooh.
They don't need to remake 2. The 2 remake is already fine. What the fuck are those blinking eyes? Oh, that's horrible.
As soon as they drop, I'm blasting them.
I came out throwing a grenade at you.
Yeah, 2 of them did.
Holy, that's so peak.
I died. You're in a fucking tree.
Oh, shit. Hey, the Viet Cong ain't got nothing on me.
Let's see. Ooh, you had a rocket launcher too.
Oh shit!
They died. One of the ODST soldiers, if you go idle in front of them, they'll start speaking and try to send like a message to their wife saying that they want a divorce because they met someone new, and they want to take the dog.
That's huge.
Where's the ship? There it is. What?
Oh man, like
There's
the
no fucking
Covenant
way.
and their,
There's no
the
fucking way.
Covenant and their damn beam rifles.
There's no fucking way. I was about to blast them.
Dude, they sniped your ass. How do you feel about
I
that?
hope you fucking die.
What the fuck? What did I do?
You don't want a fucking beam rifle around here.
You have no proof of that.
I 100% have proof of that. We killed everything in a 2-mile radius.
There were fucking multiple ships coming in, bro. You have no idea.
Multiple ships
Who
with
did
no
that?
one dropping it. I was 100% you, undeniably you.
Undeniably, huh? But I'm
One-
denying it, so
You're just wrong.
it's obviously not undeniable.
You're just wrong.
Man, the Covenant and their damn sticker grenade.
Calm down, buddy boy. Jay, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this?
The only thing chasing is the Covenant killing you repeatedly. Like, what are we supposed to be looking at here, lad?
There's no way. Where'd my weapons go?
Here comes that ride.
My shit disappeared because of you. Yeah, all my stuff's gone. I understand how it is now.
Yeah, fucking blame the Covenant!
There. All right. All right.
What did I do?
I have to go like fucking. Where is my stuff at?
I saw it too.
Ooh.
Looked like a temple. If I were a megalomaniac, and I'm not, that's where I'd be.
I was a megalomaniac, and I'm not. You're the only one with a beam rifle around here, dog. So.
That's not true! I killed somebody to take this beam rifle off of them.
Mmm. I see. I see.
Yeah, you gonna come get in the Warthog?
I didn't know it was down here yet. There we go. We both had the same
Alright, and then I
idea.
rotate it, and then we can again.
Alright.
Just pro strats, dog. I can't believe you killed me, dude. What the fuck?
There's no fucking way. God damn.
You guys seeing this shit? He's over here killing his own teammate. All
There's-
for what?
There's no way.
Anyways, where do we actually
Go back up that way. Alright. What are we doing?
No, what you're talking about. Holy shit.
I think we found the difference in difficulty with normal and
Yeah, we're still alive.
Covenant has
the only difference is legendary. They would have hit us before we even seen them.
us up on this side of the gorge. The controls to extend
No.
the bridge should be in this Watch out, Chief. Wraiths on the far side.
Really, Corton?
What? I died.
The damn Covenant and their UNSC standard issue frag grenades.
You almost got me there.
Good, the bridge is down. Now about those wraiths.
Roger them. Armor's on the way.
Dude, some of these Forerunner fucking like monuments make absolutely zero sense. We should be getting a Scorpion here soon.
Hey guys, we could talk about
You
this.
don't want the tank.
Yo, leave me the fuck alone.
For the others.
I think there is an achievement for beating this without the tank.
Hold on a second. I do want to try and take one of those wraiths.
I don't know if you can drive wraiths in this.
You can. Gotta get back here to heal up.
Well, you should let me kill one of them. Alright, this should make it a little easier for you. That's how you kill the wraith, is from behind. You're not jacking it, you're jacking it off.
Oh. All right now.
They've got a ghost! Oh, I'm so fucking afraid. Yo. Nice shit.
It took like 2 shots and I died. Hold on, we'll try and...
Motherfucker, get off my tank!
What the fuck? Why does this thing keep flipping?
Did he get in the tank? I think the elite got in the tank! I didn't even know they could do that.
I didn't either. This is like the first fucking time ever I've found that out. All right.
Holy shit.
Send that one flying.
Dude, my fucking friend got that new character in Wua on his first 10 pull, bro. That shit Loki had me heated.
I installed the game. I just need to play it now. Jay said you should stop being friends with them.
Well, seeing as how he's about to pay for me to stare at virtual ass cheeks on Warframe when the Mesa heirloom comes out, I think I'll keep him around.
Just for a little bit longer.
Nah, I probably am gonna use the duster to cover it up because the duster just looks so much better.
The duster does look really cool when I saw it showcased. I think even one of the devs said though that her hats look good.
I mean, they know exactly what they're doing. They're the ones that make it look like that.
All right, I'm gonna ghost.
Oh man, enemy ghost. Did that shit just flip over?
It did.
I need to look at your stream for this. It did like no damage, it just flipped it.
Ooh, I wish they'd put like a. They weren't prepared for my arrival. There's 4 ghosts in here.
You can count that high.
5's the limit. What they all say.
Oh, oops.
Move!
Careful, we're coming up on another.
I killed myself by hitting a wall by accident.
That's huge.
My friends, what happened to you?
Well, don't worry about that. No, with 0 pity and a single pull. Yeah, that sounds about right. And I love it because it's not even his main gacha game. So, like...
I died.
I cannot wait for the Bleach gacha game to come out with my character so that I can actually start playing the game. Bleach is such a peak series, bro. Every human on the planet should be forced to watch it at some point. I feel like that should be a graduation requirement.
Yeah, I just started it before stream with him. It's actually kind of peak, I ain't gonna hold you. Alright, I'm getting ganged up on.
Don't fucking bring him over here. Oh, I had to back up to shoot the ghost, bro. That's not my fault. Wanting to. Well, hey, we're watching it. Me and him are watching Bleach. We didn't get very far. You can catch up and we can all watch it. Just saying.
Yeah, after this, I can, I'll shoot you a text and you can watch it with us if you want. I've been wanting to watch it as well.
Word to your mother if you don't get the fuck out of my way. Oh, I'm about to crash out.
I've been wanting to watch it too, Jay. And, because he told me to watch it like a year and a half ago, but I never did. Because I always thought it was too long. But we started watching it, and it's pretty good.
Trying to tell you, bro. I only watch Peak. So if I'm putting you on, bro, I'm putting you on.
I've also been recommended to watch. Oh, I've also been recommended to watch One Piece, but that is.
Yeah, just don't do that. Just don't.
That is 100% way too long.
Like, there's some good story there, but like, I don't know. The story itself on a lot of the arcs is just kind of really mid. I don't know. I mean, I've watched 800 episodes of it, and I still, it's just like, I I think my favorite story arc in the entire show was the one with Chopper, and that's just because I felt bad for Chopper.
I have to, I have to watch all of season 1, and then, and then when season 2 drops, I gotta watch that.
They dropped off a bunch of weapons and stuff.
Oh, sick! Really?
Yep.
How are the shields not?
Ignore what I'm doing.
There's no way.
Don't pay any attention to that.
See, that was him, not me. When you guys got a shotgun? No? I should kill you all while you're... Ah! I thought it was a Marine with a rocket launcher.
That's exactly what it was. Yep. Uh-huh. Oh, we have to go inside, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so when I shoot, I try to hit stuff.
Is that the dude that
Oh.
played in Alvin and the Chipmunks? I'm just realizing this years later. The dude that plays
Who?
the dude that plays the Marine, like one of the Marines.
Probably.
Is he
Talking about the guy that plays Dave?
No, what's his name? He was in memes recently. He was the dude that was supposed to be like the villain. He kidnapped the Chipmunks, put him on his record label.
Yeah, the fat balding guy.
Ian Hawke.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't doubt it, especially because they have a bunch of big actors that play with people in this game. Wait a second, watch out.
Yo, a little bit more forewarning before that. Hey, bro, watch out.
Wait, watch your jet.
I hit the fucking spaz right there.
Wait a second. All right,
There you go. Good job. You're improving.
Hey, About to fire a rocket round.
I don't think your friend wants to watch Bleach with us.
That's fair.
Oh, my BR is almost out of ammo.
Nice places.
Yo.
Did he die? Oh!
Oh, I thought you shot me. I was like, yo, I swear to God.
No, it was, dude, he hit that shit dead on. Wait, there's other jackal snipers. Where are they at? Oh, thank goodness. When I was younger, I could not navigate this place to save my life. All right.
Oh man, the damn Covenant, man, up to no good.
Shot a rocket at a jackal. Dude walked into the rocket.
I have a funny idea. All right. Maybe a little because this guy would be there and I hate him. Yo, that's perfectly fair.
I appreciate that, Jay. Truly a great friend. Don't worry. I'll mute my mic. I'll disable my camera. So even though I don't use my camera, I'll disable it just in case I ever just that jackal went flying. Just in case I ever decide, like, hey, I might want to use my
sounds
camera.
like you're describing like my equivalent of heaven. Loki.
Oh, look at this, dude! I got 2 pistols. I got 2 fucking pea shooters.
Hey, pal, watch where you go. Yeah, I'll probably be done after this mission anyways. We get another 2 done.
Bet. Oh.
I'm always down to watch Bleach. Any arc at any time, except for the filler. Fuck that shit.
Oh yeah, actually, this would be a perfect place to stop at because this level leaves off at a very good spot
Yeah.
in the story. All right, so we're gonna have to deal with hunters up here. Don't forget. Well, once we make it to the end. Dude, the jackal sniper up there didn't notice us.
Honor guard.
Okay. Don't walk in there.
Oh!
God, what the fuck? That's not fair, man. He had an energy sword when he was shooting at me.
There's this one. Oh, there's that one over there. Oh!
Get over here, motherfucker.